In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar under 1 minute by using Stable Diffusion. All you need to do is to get your text prompt ready, go to stablediffusionweb.com and then enter your prompt on their website, click on generate image, and it should generate your image within few seconds. As you can see, it hasn't taken much time, and I have just asked it to create an Indian girl with black hair and black eyes, 25-year-old in sari dress, and it has done it. Now, one thing, if you see that I asked it that the mouth should be slightly open because I wanted to use it in my animation, so it hasn't done it, which is fine, but I can regenerate it and see what happens. Normally on regeneration, it works better because it has learned from its previous mistake. Okay, not good. Let me do it again. Okay, this is pretty scary. I think this one is better. So if you like this one, you can download it to your own screen because for an avatar, it has to be looking straight. Okay, maybe we could ask it to look straight. Should be looking straight. Now let's see what it does. Okay. Uh, okay, not yet. It's not there yet. Maybe we will try again. Uh, camera. Let's try this one. Okay, let's wait and we'll see what it does. Okay, much better. I think this one is better, but still, as you can see, the mouth is not open. Um, then this one is straight from some horror movie, but anyway. Uh, okay, much better. So as you can see, you have to keep playing around with your prompts until it generates an image. I hope that you liked it. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.